This is Kanagambigai, Ms. IT, MCA, MPhil, lecturer, Department of Computer Science. Now I'm going to take data types in Python. Okay, first of all, you should know about what is data types. In Python, variables can hold value of different types called data types. Say for an example, a person's age is stored in a number. Name is made of set of characters. Amount that are stored in floating point number. Python has various standard data types and also create own data types in Python. Here, 5 standard data types supported by Python. It includes numbers, strings, list, tuple, and dictionary. Here, data type structure. So it has number of types, number, none, sequence, set. In number, it has divided into 3 types: integer, float, complex. And sequence also divided into 3 types. And set is represented as dictionary. Okay, numbers. It can be integers, decimals, floating point, and complex numbers. Using integer numbers data type, here we are using 2 ways. One is compile time and next thing is runtime. At compile time, a is a variable equal to 10. 10 is a value that are stored in one variable name and print a. At runtime, a equal to int of input of enter the number, print a. Here next is we are using floating point numbers. It can be integers, decimals, floating point, and complex numbers. Using floating point numbers data type, say for an example, first example is here at compile time, a equal to 10.34. Printing a, it always print 10.34. At runtime, a equal to float of input of enter the amount, print of a. Float is a keyword. Next, using complex number. It can be represented by a complex class. So it is specified as real part and also imaginary part. So using complex numbers data type, say for an example, c equal to -2 plus 3i. Next, we are using string data type. Okay, what is string? String is a set of characters that are enclosed within either single or double quotation. It is an immutable data type, which means once a string is created, it cannot be modified. Syntax of string data types in Python. String variables equal to and then followed by hello world that are enclosed within double quotation. And next example is here, string variables equal to hello world that is always enclosed within single quotation. Syntax of string data types in Python. String variables equal to hello world and print your string variables. And next example is here we are using single quotation means, that is another example is string variables equal to hello world, print string list. It is most versatile data type. It consists of a set of values or items separated by commas and enclosed within square brackets. Lists are similar to arrays and accessing using indexes. An index of first element is 0. 2 elements in n minus 1. Next is in list following operations are used: slice, concatenation, and repetition operations, etc. Say for an example, list equal to A, B, C. So next is list 1 equal to 1, 2, 3. List 2 equal to A, 1, 2.5, hello. So we are using fully characters, numbers, and mixed mode. Mixed mode is nothing but so combinations of letters, numbers, so these things. Next, tuples. A tuple is similar to the list. It contains set of values separated by commas and enclosed within parentheses. It is a read-only data type. Say for an example, tuple equal to A, B, C, and tuple 1 equal to using numbers that is 1, 2, 3. Tuple 2 equal to mixed mode combinations that is A, 1, 2.5, hello. Dictionary. Dictionaries stored data in key value pairs. The key values are usually strings, and value can be any data type. Key value pairs are enclosed within curly braces. Each key value pair is separated from the other using a colon. Say for an example, dictionary is a variable name equal to item colon chocolate comma price colon 100. So item is a key, chocolate is a value. So here using number of key and also values pair. Print dict of item and also print dict of price. And your output is here chocolate and also 100. Thank you.